Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long kakhot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Hadin ka jingshim kya jo menteri rang ba ka jalla konrat kongkal sangma ban pinsngau show menteri ka sarkar pedeng ubakmi ya ka Ministry of Education udharmendra pradhan ya ka jing e juki samla pulie ki bahab ban yakhun ya ka Eksamin Central University Entrance Test shabar ka jalla Nakalyang jo ka National Testing Agency kala rai ban pha ya ki nongmi khman nakabanta ban Jurip ya ki Jaka Thoh Eksamin ha ka ni ka jalla ha ka jing ekram kala pathai khubor u menteri ka tat puli puthi ka sarkar jalla urakam e sangma ulai thu ba ka jing e ka ba mi na ka jing u Georgian ki samla ka long namar ba ka National Testing Agency kamshim la pantip a shaka sarkar haba bha ye ki Jaka Thoh Eksamin.
Look, on this issue, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up the matter at the highest level. Our Honorable Chief Minister had met Honorable Union Minister of Education, Government of India yesterday, and apprised the issue, and like this came a bit late because exam is being started tomorrow. The problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government because they directly communicate one day or 2 days before the exam schedule. So this is a problem. So exam start tomorrow. Some of the students has already left for the exam for a different location. So we can't do anything on that. So but however, after the taking up the matter by Honorable Chief Minister in Delhi yesterday, so the NTA contacted the state government for identifying the more computer center, and we are on the job. So I think they will come for inspection the TCS data center. They are coming tomorrow or day after, and I think that the process will take maybe 1 day or 2 days time. So after that, I think and we are also writing another letter by now only that to defer those students who are not immediate, that means by tomorrow or day after, so to defer the exam. So I think so let's see what outcome from tomorrow and day after, because the NTA, they have sending the team for inspection about the center that we have identified more. Look, the problem is, we don't want to blame of course, but the problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government. So we don't know the problems. They only communicate directly to the students. We have identified the center already, but they should have informed the state government this is not enough, right? But they have to inform us that they have this allotted like this. So therefore, but since now I'm sure those students which are going to have exam maybe after this week, I think definitely those exam will be different, and they will be relocated issued by the NTA. So we are on the job.
So for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no more.
Look for the tomorrow. Some students has already left. Those who are nearby. So we can. Otherwise, if we do so, again we have another confusion with the rights. So but for all those students outside the state, part like Port Blair, Jharkhand, and here, I think those are allocated after 19, if I'm not wrong. The days are 19. So, but for that, I think we can sort it out this weekdays. So, we're expecting for all the students who got the allocation center in the different far location. I think that will be addressed. That detailed record is not with us, and we also don't know the exact number of the detail. We also don't know, because look, the problem is NTA don't communicate to the state government. That is a main problem. NTA should appoint a full-fledged nodal officer in the state, and we will be writing on that. So NTA should have informed the state government properly in time, so that we can take the necessary measure necessary steps so that our students will not face problem. But however, now after knowing this issue, Honorable Chief Minister is quick to react on that, and he even met Honorable Minister of Education Government of India, and he expressed and dispatched the letter, and I think we are on its off.
CUET is not a new thing.
Correct.
Every year this season this is coming. Why can't we have a permanent solution?
But we are working on the different alternative. Therefore, we have established a state university. Those colleges who will be affiliated to the state university, they don't need to undergo CUT entrance examination for the admission. That is another option. Number one, look, MTA, it's a prerogative of the MTA, right? It's an agency they have to conduct because it is their decision, right? So we can't do anything on that, right? So some are applied, but the process is also going on, right? Because since many have already applied to apply the CUT, whether they take admission in the central university affiliated colleges or not, they will. I think it's after this. I mean, many of this. I mean, students already applied for to face this examination. I think they are going ahead. Exact number of examinations I don't know, but because NTA don't communicate to us. But the latest development is NTA has communicated with the state government to identify 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those, and we have identified the infrastructure, and we have communicated to the NTA, and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they fulfill the criteria or not. It is not about the state or the central, but it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all, simple as simple, right? So therefore, we will request the institutions. Why should we face this kind of challenge again and again and again? So if they can affiliate to the state university, right? That is simple as simple. So
what is the latest development in our state university themselves?
we are ready. We are ready.
What about admission?
No, it is going on. Those who are on the process of application, they can start admission. It is not an issue. With the state university, we are ready in all respect. No, definitely we will be taking up the matter again and again and again, but till we get permission. But it is, look, this is, so I don't know what the NT is doing. It's last year also had the same issue. This also has the same issue. Maybe, look, the problem is, had NTA communicated to the state government in time, we could have done all the required measure. Honorable CM also has already written, and we are writing today also that to defer all the exams of the states. I mean, students who have allocated in a far from location from the state.
Have you opened any helpline to identify students who are not able to write the exam?
Yeah, we have already instructed the department to do the needful, to contact the students and all. Yeah.